Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. A Swedish automotive brand founded in 1945 by the aircraft manufacturer, which later became known for its cars. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Saab, Saab. Here we go again. Saab. It committed towards producing safe and uniquely designed vehicles, such as the Saab 900 and the Saab 9-5. The brand was also known for its emphasis on driver-focused technology and turbocharged engines. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Saab, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.